it's Jeanette, and I am back with another video. As always, first and foremost, all praises be to the Most High who makes all things possible. You already know I'm coming with the heat. But before we delve too far into this video, if this is your first time ever tuning into any of my content, go ahead right now in this moment and click the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that each time I drop this heat, you will be notified. Leave me a like, tons and tons of likes, so that these videos can be spread abroad. And right now in this moment, go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know that you are here. So what are we doing today? Today we're just doing a little simple vlog. I'm taking you all along with me. I have a few errands to run. The first errand is going to be to go and get my nails done. So I am excited about that, just the feeling of a manicure. I'm also going to get a pedicure too, because we always know, like, we got to keep the feet have to be on point. Can't be walking around here with some old crop dusters. So we're going to the nail salon here. I'm going to take you all along for the journey. I also have to run by UPS to ship back some things that I ordered from Amazon. Did not like the quality, so I'm going to send that back. And also I think I'm going to go to the mall, need to try to find a shirt, or some shoes, or some everything. If I see something if I see something that I like, I'm definitely going to go ahead and purchase it and get that. And I need to go get a new phone charger, because if anyone has an iPhone, you already know how they begin to detach. For some reason, I don't know why, but we have to go ahead and get that taken care of. And I believe that's it. We may wing some stuff along the way, but I just definitely had to bring my family, my supporters along for this journey, or this day, this outing, whatever you want to call it. Make sure that you enjoy this vlog. As you can see, the hair is just shining bright like 12 diamonds. You already know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this day on the road, and I'm just so glad to have you all come along with me for it. All right, let's do this. Alrighty, we have made it. Show y'all where we're going yet. We'll be right here at Golden Nails. It's located in Savannah, Georgia. So if you are ever in the area, this is definitely a good nail salon. Hi, Manny and Petty. So you just finished up at the nail salon. We got some gold glitter and like a plum color, so I'm digging it. So the next stop is going to be the UPS store, because I do believe it is right around the corner from where I am. So we're going to drop these 2 packages off. It's starting to rain, so I'm trying to debate on whether or not I want to go ahead and go to the mall. I'm thinking not. I'm feeling a bit opt-out-ish. But I'm definitely going to drop these packages off. Let's see. Need to get a charger also. I just don't want to get out in the rain, so maybe I'll come back out later, or possibly tomorrow. So if you don't see the mall and you don't see the Five Below, I think I want to go to Five Below, even you know, to get chargers and stuff like that, because they have like the 10 feet chargers. So I kind of feel like I want to do that, but I do not feel like getting out in the rain. I don't want to sing in the rain today. So we're just gonna go ahead and go to the UPS store, and y'all will see me when I get there. Alrighty, so we've arrived at the UPS store. So let's just return these packages and go on about our day. Alrighty, so I got the packages returned. And I'm going to be on my merry way. So I've already made up my mind. I'm not going to the mall, and I'm not going to Five Below right now. My stomach is actually touching my back. So I'm actually going to go ahead and head to his house and see what the plan is for today. My husband and I, we normally go out on Saturday and Sunday, you know, work hard all during the week, and then we really get to chill out and do whatever on the weekend. Granted, it is a bit dreary outside, but you know, we eat inside. So we're gonna get us something good to eat, and we're gonna enjoy each other and the remainder of our day. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. It's definitely something that I have not done in a while. I think the last vlog I did was when I was in Chicago, so that was probably about 2 years ago. So I'm definitely, you know, going to try to implement more vlogs within my channel. Just, you know, day-to-day stuff, so that you all can see how I maneuver through the city of Savannah. So a lot of nice things here, a lot of things to do. I was hoping to actually go downtown today to River Street, so I'm hoping that the weather actually clears up, because I do want to go to this place called Dubs. It's kind of like a bar, but it has like, if you want some really good bar food and you're in Savannah, go to River Street, go to Dubs. You know, if you want good drinks, but really everything is like on the strip, but good food with a bar incorporated. Dubs is going to be your stop. So if you're ever in the city, remember Marvie said Dubs, and you all go ahead and drop by there. I do believe that you all will enjoy it. The food is banging. So that's my spiel. That's the plan for today. I'm going to go ahead and, you know, maneuver through this traffic and get home, and it's just gonna make today a great day. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, send this videos, all of my videos, my channel, to all of your friends, all of your family members, so that we can reach the masses. Help us reach the masses. Yes, so help us reach as many people as we can. I will greatly appreciate it. As always, you know, I'm thankful for everything that you all do. I'm thankful for your subscriptions. I'm thankful for your likes and each and every last one of your comments. I don't take it lightly. Definitely do not take it for granted. I do appreciate you all so much. So until next time, because there will always be a next time, may peace and blessings be unto you all. Thank you.